Sheikh, not knowing Islamic ruling or fatwa, okay, is it an excuse?
No, ignorance is no excuse.
It's a straight answer.
Straight answer, yes.
Because some people would say that I've been doing a particular thing in the wrong way for all these years because I simply did not know.
Yes, but I mean, once he or she knows, then he cannot be excused. About the past time, then yes, he will get an answer regarding, equal to the situation that he was in and the sort of wrongdoing that he was practicing. But for the future, he has to correct what he is doing, he or she is doing. He cannot just, say, no, I don't want to know, I don't want to correct what I was doing, and I will just keep on and do what I have been doing. No, here he will be accounted for. He cannot, leave the light of
ignorance,
the light of knowledge to the darkness of ignorance.